Yo, what is up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today we are doing part 8 of the Code With Me 3D Model Portfolio series, where we are just building 3D Model Portfolio to teach you later on how to do it. We're using TypeScript, we're using React.js, we're using NextJS13, we're using TailwindCSS, and we're using React 3 Fiber to build the 3D aspects and Spline to build the 3D aspects. There's a lot of fun stuff going on in there. But anyways, this is part 8 already. We've done 7 parts, which is insane. And yeah, the whole goal is for us to learn, and then of course for you to learn. And of course, as always, we've got Daniel here on board. Hope you guys are having a great day. Let us crush it. So in terms of the 3D model portfolio, what we are doing, as always, I'm just gonna refresh it again. Well, this is it right here. So this is going to be a model portfolio that you can build for yourself later on, where everything, you got the projects, you got the experience, you've got the the header, everything, the banner, and this is all supposed to be 3D as well. And where we are at right now is pretty much right here. So if I refresh this, give me 1 second here. That was a good song.
Good stuff.
I know, right? So there it is right here. So this is our, look at that 3D. Yesterday we worked on this my work experience thing right here. So where you actually get to add your own experience, and we just simply worked on like the job section of it. And today we're gonna finish that part up so that you guys can build it with us. As always, you're welcome to build this with us and have fun, and as we're learning it ourselves as well. Awesome. So let's do it, Daniel.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So today is gonna be this part, I think, and then the next day we're gonna have to figure out how to actually build even this part. I mean, I don't even know, honestly. Like, do we?
So I know. Like for the shapes and for the decals.
Yeah.
That's to me is the easiest part.
What, this stuff? Oh, you mean like these shapes right here?
Yeah, those shapes, and then applying decals to them. So where I'll map an image on top of the surface of the geometry.
So 3D is gonna be pretty easy, I feel like, the 3D aspects, no? Yeah.
I'm just trying to figure out like how I can set up like 2D or even 3D lines.
Yeah. Or how do we even put it in a circle is my question. Like are we going to export these as are we going to export them as custom ones, or what are we gonna do? Do you know?
The more simpler way of doing it, I mean, I guess we could do it and we could look into it for Spline, but like I was thinking maybe we could do this part with Fiber.
This part with Fiber? That way we have more control of it, basically, right?
Control, and then we'll use the Dre library to like provide the helper functions to get a lot of this set up. I just gotta do a little bit of research on like the line stuff and everything to see how that would work. And
yeah, because I'm thinking like, I don't even know, honestly, like, how do we create these circles?
It's a special type of geometry. Because I've created these already. Like I've created them before.
But the question is this going to be like one big 3D thing? Or is this going to be like, where this is 3D, this is 3D, this is 3D, and then everything else is HTML and CSS, basically?
Oh, like all the icons of the skills, like all the little circles, the weird circles.
That's 3D for sure.
That whole thing is going to be in an entire canvas.
Oh, you mean this whole thing is going to be an entire canvas?
Yes, and then we'll just overlay the HTML content on top of it, just so it's sitting on top.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Do some research on that one for sure, but yeah, that's the approach that I would take on it initially, and then of course.
I'll say this is probably one of the most difficult things that we're gonna be working on for sure. Honestly.
Oh yeah.
I believe.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Oh yeah. That was gonna be pretty interesting because there's a lot going on in terms of the lighting situation too, and then like the way some of it like kind of like fades at the top and it fades in as you get lower.
Oh yeah, right here, right? We also have like this stuff right here, pretty much too.
Yeah.
But I think there's this ellipsis right here. So if I go ahead and remove, see, it removes that. I think because there's like a blur somewhere going on here Like, see, there's a blur going on. I don't know exactly where it is. Let me see. No, not this one. No, not this one. No. There's a... I don't know where the blur is, but I do know there's a blur going on somewhere for sure. No, not this one. Is it this one? No. 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 I'm just curious, where is that blur? I don't know. Honestly, do not know. Anyways, okay. So let's do this part then. I guess in that case, right?
Yeah, I think we get this part done, and then we could come back to that other part for like tomorrow or sometime later this week. But yeah,
100%, 100%. So let me go and hide this. Actually, let me go ahead and hide this right portion because I don't need to look at it. Remove panel or hide panel. No, just remove panel. There we go.
Yeah.
Cool.
Better.
So right now, basically, we're here. And what we want to do at this point is simply just go through the the job and really make the job look really good. I would say so. Right? We want to create this transparent background border. So first, right? So maybe let's give this like a height, some kind of like a height that actually makes sense. And then we'll go with that. How does that sound? Sounds good?
Sounds good to me. Yeah.
And let's do that. So right now our job is this class. It's inside the where is it? Experience? Yeah, experience section. There it is right here. So this is our job right there. Okay. But we could probably put that into a component as well, so we don't have to constantly like reuse the exact same thing. We could probably make a component out of this. No? What do you think?
Oh, hell yeah. Like, because the experience, you can, like, I think each experience is like a component. So we can make the whole experience for one job a component, I think.
Yeah, no, I agree with you on that one.
Instead of copying and pasting, it'll get really messy.
Yeah, so we can do one, and then we can do pick out the other ones later on, okay?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So let's go ahead, and I think the first things first is I want to make this a little bit more round, because the roundness of this is a bit small. So TailwindCSS. Let's go ahead and do round. Not wound. Round. Border radius. There we go. So we can do round like large. I think this is round LG, honestly. Looks pretty good to me, no?
Yeah, round the large looks good to me.
Yeah, round-ish large, yeah. So wait, there is a rounded-ish large. There we go. Awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and refresh that. The only thing I hate is like I wish I didn't have to refresh every single damn time. Did it do any work? Did it do anything?
It's something with Code Sandbox. I always I have like having some weird like the hot module reload that should automatically refresh.
Yeah.
Just been
really
worked our acts odd on Code Sandbox.
Let me see, Dev 3000. There's our app. Let's go and open this app. Oh shit, what is this song? Yeah.
I know, I like it too.
Yeah. I think it is a bit, actually it's more, yeah, there we go. Now it's a little bit more concave. A little more border radius is a bit bigger. Should we make it, give it even more border radius?
I feel like a little more, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. See what, I don't know if round full, I don't think round full is gonna completely make it like
no, you don't want to do round and full. Because round and full, then in that case, it's just gonna be like, you know. But can't you do, you can do default, some kind of a rounded size.
Arbitrary values. Yeah. Oh, yeah, of course, yeah.
Okay, so let's try that arbitrary value then. 50 pixels. There we go. Let's refresh this.
There we go.
Oh my goodness. Less, no, that's a bit too much. Probably 25 maybe.
25 wouldn't be a bad number.
Yeah. There we go. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I like
Better,
that. That's good, right?
That's good.
Yeah,
That's
that's awesome.
I think the container just needs a little more hype, but I think obviously the content's what's gonna give it the
Yeah,
height.
yeah.
But,
So now the next question becomes is like, okay, how do we create that transparent border or that border, Daniel, huh?
So I know we did this with the button you were, with the I think the contact me button.
But is there
Or
a better
we'll
way?
just-
Is there a better way of doing this? Like, can you create like a border with?
You'd have to use it like a border image or something like that. I know there's no really standard for it.
Really?
Within CSS, yeah.
Really?
I've searched it up. You could even ask ask ChatGPT.
Oh, let's add ChatGPT on this thing. Let's see.
Yeah.
ChatGPT, baby.
ChatGPT.
Oh no, a song's actually. I actually know this song. Let's go ahead and do. Let's see. So, how to create a border in HTML and CSS using with gradient colors.
Mm-hmm.
Oh hell no, really? Bro, what the hell?
Yeah, see what I was talking about? It's called border image. Yeah.
Are you serious right now?
But I don't know how standardized border image is.
Is this the best way to do it? I mean, I think we should try it.
I think. Okay, well, I mean, it does look like it is. Try it.
Oh, look. There are alternative methods that you can consider because being specific. Yeah, well, we talked about before, right? But the before and
yeah. Because it's like you said before, all it does is it just places an element above the content. It does so it's kind of like that method is kind of like as if we just place a background behind the top one.
Yeah.
So this would be a little bit more code, but background image, I looked at browser compatibility and it's supported across all.
Is it pretty bad?
No, it's actually pretty good.
Really? I think we should try it just for the sake of it, no?
Let's give it a shot. It'd be another cool property to try.
Yeah, let's try it.
I'll share because I'm looking at the MDN docs. Yeah.
But look at this. It says adjust the border image properties, border image slice 1. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to copy this here.
Yes.
Just for the sake of it. And this is at the job level. So I'm going to go to global.css.
Yeah.
Job. Boom. Let's see here. Oh shit, bro.
It does work.
Wait, but it doesn't necessarily go with the actual.
It's not respecting border radius.
Oh, it's not. You're right.
Ask ChatGPT it. Let's see what ChatGPT says.
Hold on. The border image is not respecting the border radius.
Yeah. Maybe it's the property we get set.
Oh, it doesn't. Look. It's telling me to go this way.
That's hilarious. Okay, so yeah, you can go that way using before and after pseudo classes, or you can just.
Let's try the before option, huh?
Yeah, before works too. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, man. There's still no perfect way to go about it, huh? That sucks.
With board, so it's not perfect.
Yeah.
But it gets the job done.
Yeah, that just sucks. The fact that it doesn't fully perfectly work.
Yeah, I guess.
So job dot before. So before, those of you who don't know what that is actually, before means it's like, hey, create an element before this and then give it some content. That's it. So you can actually create like before elements, and you can actually create HTML elements using CSS. That's the cool part about this. Yeah. So like in a situation like this, we can do before, and you can just give it an empty string, which is nothing, and then just give it like a position, like, and then here's the background. Oh look, there's even a border radius called inherit. What does that do?
Oh, inherit. So what inherit does is it inherits that property from its parent. So if that parent has that class applied or that CSS property applied, it'll inherit it from its parent, which is pretty sweet. It could be good in situations where you don't want to have to redefine a property. You can just inherit it from its parent.
Yeah, valid. So what the hell is this?
Yeah, what the... Okay, so it's taking in the parent border radius. Border... Yeah, get rid of it.
What the? It's like, look at this radius thingy.
What's its Z index?
Let's remove this border actually.
Yeah, you don't even need border.
Yeah, you don't need border,
you just
right?
Need background. Yeah, you just need background, and you just need to make sure.
But then now this background has to be this background. So this, do you know what this background is?
The color.
Oh, there it is, right here.
I couldn't tell you.
It's this right here. It's like this RGBA thingy. Not even sure what that is, honestly. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Are we okay? Yes, we are okay.
Doing great.
We are awesome, in fact. So it's gonna be this background color of like blackish, whatever that color is. So we're gonna say that background.
It's a dark gray, like really dark gray.
Let's see here. Refresh this thing. Watch it.
The parent. Does it need to be position relative? The main.
This is position relative, I think.
It's it's static by default. You need a.
No, I mean it is, but you see. Let's see.
Because it's.
Oh, what the hell?
They actually made it worse, huh?
No, because you cannot do position relative, bro.
Because they're doing it on itself.
This is already position absolute.
True.
No, so this is actually correct. There's nothing wrong with this whatsoever, honestly. I will say, like, this is just is Z index.
It's a Z index.
I think it's a Z index issue. Let's see. Work, damn it.
I don't know.
Okay, there is our position absolute here. That's the one. Oh, what the hell is this? This is like a transparent background. Do you see?
Yeah, look at the opacity. It's like 0.14. Is that the...
Yeah, that's why it's not shown up properly. And then the before... Yeah, that's why. Like... Yeah. But... Oh! You see?
Wait, so it is working, but
I know why, bro. It's because of just the color itself. That's so dumb. Here, it's because it's using transparency as a color. Get it?
Where is it using transparency?
So what's the 0.14 is what's using your transparency. So what we need to do is we just get an actual color. Like if I go to the actual color, if I go use color strip, for example, and I actually, oh hell, this is a bad idea. Don't hide this shit. Color slip. No, wait, hold on. There we go. Color slip. There we go, at the same time. And so what you do is you go like here. No, don't do that to me. There we go. So I just slipped it out.
I need that one. That's so good.
And then what we can do, because I don't think RGBA is going to be a good solution here. That's why. That's the problem. Boom. Now if we do it this way, watch. Oh, my man. Why?
What's going on? Is it not working?
There's this background. It's like almost like this background is taking persistence over the other one. You know what I mean? Even though the index here is much bigger. I mean, we can also do it the other way, bro.
Yeah.
So we can actually switch these up. What if we switch these up like this? Boom. Boom.
Nice.
Hey, do you see it?
Uh-huh.
Do you see it now?
Yeah, it looks good. It looks good.
Yeah. Border. So this has a specific width. So that means that this thing needs to be a bit smaller, basically, correct? So it can't be like top 1. It's got to be like top 2 pixels, a left 2 pixels, right 2 pixels, bottom 2 pixels. There we go, like this. Watch.
Let's see.
Watch. Oh, bro, I'm just too good.
How the fuck did you do that?
Dude, I'm just too good. Sorry.
Oh wait, you were supposed to switch the colors around?
Yeah, I switched them around.
Wait, was it just blending in with the background?
No, it's because like this one had so it's because of the fact that like for some reason this one had a higher how do I say this? A higher like it was higher in the scope. Do you get what I'm saying? And so by switching this one around, actually, we were able to make this one yeah, I don't really know why. But I will tell you that.
Crazy,
yeah. That's interesting though, right?
yeah.
And look, it works. No?
Shit. It looks good though. It looks good.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Okay, so let's do this now. So let's go ahead and let's actually use the correct is that the same as always? The gradient, by the way?
Yes, I think for all the jobs, I know it's the same gradient. Oh, even for the button, yeah, I think it uses the same gradient.
Is the same gradient?
Yeah. And the colors are already added to well, I mean that's if we want to use like Tailwind, because you could totally use Tailwind for all this. But
yeah.
Of course that'll get messy, yeah. Just because of how many classes we'll have to use.
So then in that case, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, we could use Tailwind. Why not? So what is the linear gradient? Remember, where did we put the linear gradient on? Was that in the header? Oh, CTA.
Yeah, right there. So BG gradient to right, and then you specify the colors and their order, of course, using the right keywords from, via, and to.
Oh my goodness.
Why is it showing like 6 like previews of the color?
Don't question the code sandbox.
It's true. You can't really question.
You cannot question code sandbox, man. Sorry.
It'll just get mad at me.
Yeah. There we go. So there's that.
Okay.
Rounded. Okay. And then inside the CSS here, someone said, "Love the commitment, you guys. Thank you."
Thank you. Yeah. I know Tailwind has the before class, and you could use before properties.
Oh, you can?
Tailwind. Yes, you
no
can.
way.
You can search it up. Yeah, I've used it. You could. I think I've used that for my initial work on this project.
Bro, Daniel, look at our masterpiece.
That looks great.
That was great. Shit. That was great indeed.
Yeah,
so
I love it.
I'm pretty happy with that, honestly.
Oh yeah, me too, bro. Me too.
Okay, so then we've got All right, you want to go on the next part. So the next part you can do, which is the header, the the company name, and then description stuff.
Oh, looks. Ooh, shit. I like what the designers did for like making the company name purple.
Yeah,
that's actually a really cool look.
Yeah. So you want to work on that? You want to do that?
Why not? Let's do it.
Let's do it. So it's gonna be inside the experience section. So I'm guessing it's like somewhere in here.
Yeah, it's gonna probably be right there.
Yeah.
Been getting a lot of work done on this project. It looks pretty good so far.
Yeah.
Okay, so first things first. So we know there's 3 sections to each experience. We have the header for the job title.
Mm-hmm.
We have the company name, and then we have bullet points for basically all the things you did to contribute to that company when you work there.
Yep.
Those are 3 main things. So the first things first is we're just gonna make the job title.
So type the title right here. Yep.
That I'll say will be like an H3. Like it's not the
interesting enough, inside TailwindCSS, H's are not styled.
Really?
I don't know if you know that, but if we do H3, you'll see it doesn't style it.
What, when you apply Tailwind classes?
Yeah, like right now, for example, like H3, there's no default styling on H3 or H1 or H2. Any of those.
Let's see. Wait, so I didn't know that. So Tailwind applies default styles to all tags when you add it?
No, it doesn't. So like, so for example, if you do Web3 developer, see, you said H3, correct? If you look at it here, it's just normal text. You see?
Yeah. And that's because of Tailwind?
Yep. Tailwind removes styling for H1, H2, and H3 and all the heading tags.
Really?
Yeah, default styling is gone. So you have to specify your own styling. So like in Tailwind CSS, like if you want to do like...
That is crazy.
You see headings aren't styled. See? All heading elements are completely unstyled by default and have the same font size and font weight is normal. The reason for this is twofold. It helps you avoid accidentally deviating from your type scale. In UI development, headings should often be visually de-emphasized. Yeah. So there we go. Same thing with lists. Look, same thing with lists. Also unstyled.
Wow. Accessibility considerations. Images are block level. That is...
Interesting, right?
That. Yeah, that's interesting.
You didn't know that?
I didn't, because like I've noticed when I've used these tags, I'm like, why do they not look like the tag they're supposed to be? I had no idea Tailwind was the whole reason behind that. Like,
Yeah, crazy.
Well, that's a good to know, because I'm sure not a lot of people knew that either.
Yeah, so we have to specify our own class names and our own text. There we go. Nice.
Sounds like a plan. So we'll see how text. I don't know if that's too big.
Text extra large. Let's see here. Refresh this.
Is it bigger?
No, it's actually not that large.
But it's bigger than before, so...
I think it's even bigger, honestly. Like the text, the font size here is like literally 34 pixels. And also, it needs to be bold.
Oh, yeah. We'll make that. Oh.
That's right.
There we go. That font size... maybe a little bit bigger, but let me know what you think of font size.
No, I think it's a good font size, but just make it bold now.
Bold. So, in our situation, because we're using a custom font, we're using, I think, that Gilroy font. We only have access to the light and then the extra bold, so if we want to make it more bold, it's gonna look really bold regardless.
Let's see how bold can we make it. What if it's like really bold? Let's try it. I'm curious now.
Yeah, we only have one option for bold, so
let's make that shit bold then.
Extra bold. Let's see how it looks.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, I added the class, so it should...
Oh, whoa, it's bold.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's not bad, though.
It's not bad, right?
No, I don't think it's bad.
I think we should keep that.
I think we should keep that, too. Let's define the company name, right?
Yeah. So first, I want to actually put some padding on the parent. So,
what do you mean?
Like you see, like the padding around.
Oh, you mean like this padding right here?
Yeah, that padding.
Oh, yeah. Let's do that.
What's the padding like?
So it's 47 from the left, 33 from the top, as you can see right there.
Okay. So we could play around with those numbers.
Yeah, I would say do like 40 all across. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so too.
Or
So
20 all across. We can play around with it.
20 all across, it would be about P5.
Yeah.
P-5.
Where'd you add that in?
I'll add it to the beginning. I added it to the very end.
Right there, guys. Oh.
Yeah, but I'll add it right here.
Boom.
Like that, bam.
Boom. Right there, guys.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if it works.
What's up, Kunal?
Not bad, but we could probably go a little bit more than that. So I'd say, you know what? Let's try 40 pixels all around, which is going to be P10. And then we'll see what that looks like. If that might be a little too much, but we'll see.
No, this is great actually. Yeah, no, I think make it a little bit less from the top. Let's do P10 from left and right, and then from the top and bottom do like P8.
P8, so
yeah,
PX, and then
so do like PX.
Top and bottom.
Yeah, so PX would be 10, and then PY would be like 8.
Yeah, let's try it out.
Yeah, what do you think about that?
Better, yeah, because I think there was too much on the top.
Yeah, I like that too. No.
Sweet, yeah, it looks good to me.
Sick, awesome, like it.
Me too. Okay, so next we'll add the company title to the bottom. We'll add it under, of course, the job title. So that, I mean, I guess it doesn't matter really which tags we use, but
it doesn't really matter. I think at this point this is just for like SEO purposes, honestly.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, there's so many ways you could approach it if you want to make your site as highly ranked, but there's a lot that's a whole job of its own.
Yeah.
So we'll just go with this. So we'll say Alchemy, for example. It's a company.
This person worked at Alchemy. This guy's jacked.
Dude, Alchemy, yeah, it's like.
Someone asked, "How was your trip?" I'm still on the trip, guys. This is me coding on the trip, guys.
Oh shit. Okay. So first things first, before we start making the title look nice, I want to add the proper spacing between the title and the company and job title.
Yeah, look, that's looking really good. I like this actually.
Right? I think the font size is actually pretty good.
Font size is pretty good. Just give it a different color now.
Yeah, of course. First though, I'm gonna open up the Figma design on my side too, just so I have it up.
Yeah, so the colors of this purple is like 91D5, whatever this one is. I'm not really sure what this is. That's a weird purple color.
Let's see.
That person worked at 3GS. Damn, these guys are cool.
Oh yeah.
I wish I could work at 3GS or Alchemy.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do that. Bam. I have color slurp now too, and it's so good.
Okay. Are you doing it? We in the color?
Yep. I got the color. I'm just seeing the space between the job title and the company, so it looks like it's about 14 pixels.
Oh, between here, you mean?
Yeah, between the job title and the company name. So I'll add it to the company tags. I'll do about, let's say, what is it? We'll do about 3, and then we'll add in the color, which we'll do text. And then since it's an arbitrary value, so we want to pass in our own custom color, we just use brackets.
Nice. Nope.
Bam, like
Hashtag. Hashtag that. Okay, let's do this. Let's refresh that. Ready? Yes. Ooh, look at that, you guys.
Good.
Looking really good.
It looks great. I think just needs to be a little bit more bold, but obviously we know we only have one option for bold.
Yeah.
But we can see what that looks like.
Yeah. Let's do that now the list items. My only question now is how do we create this?
So I'm thinking there's gonna be layers to it. Kind of like we'll do what we did for the whole container. We'll just use the before on like a mini, I guess you could say a mini square. And then we can use clip path to cut like one half of it just so it's a triangle, and then we could add border radius to that corner. I don't know if that's possible though.
Yeah, I don't know, like like border radius with clip path, like border radius with clip path.
As long as there's a corner. So basically, when I cut off one half of the triangle, of the square,
Yeah.
it'll have one of the corners still there. So I think it could still apply the border radius to that corner, because it'll still actually apply border radius.
Mm-hmm.
It's just we won't see the border radius on like the bottom half because obviously it's getting clipped out. So border radius, I think, still would work.
You think so?
But I could be. I think so. We could test it out to see what happens. If it doesn't work, then we could look at some other potential solutions.
Just like, I don't even know. Clip path polygon with curved edges.
Yeah.
This is probably the hardest thing out of everything. Is making this clip path that's also like beautiful page. See, this stuff is easy to do. Like in terms of clip path, this is fairly easy to do because it's sharp. But the second you start to round corners.
Let me test something. I get what you're saying though, and it's totally valid.
This is my favorite song.
Oh.
Oh, there it is, like a video here, looks like. There's like a video here of like clip path with rounded. Oh, what is this guy doing? Bro, look at this. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
Dude, what the hell? No way.
That's pretty crazy.
Okay, well, what is he doing though? It's using something called plant CSS.
Yeah.
It's called, what is it called? Plant
CSS.com.
I don't even know. PlantCSS.com. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's an SVG to a CSS. What? Oh.
So convert. So like for example, we could take like the banner background and probably convert it to pure CSS clip path stuff.
Oh, look, bro. Look. Do you see?
That's sick.
That's pretty much what we're looking for.
That's exactly what we're looking for.
But I still don't know how to do it though. Dude, this is interesting.
So what we can do is we could take the Figma, we could export the container for the job as an SVG and then just convert it into CSS library.
You think so? Do you see? This is literally like what we kind of need. This is a full-on polygon, bro.
And that's CSS, and we could control
and how
even more.
But how?
Because look how precise those values got to be, and the amount of points you got to have to get those perfect curves. It's insane. Look how huge that clip path is.
How do they do that though?
These people just have a eye for it. It's pretty crazy.
So let's try the clip path converter. Select or drop an SVG. Okay, so let's try an SVG file here. How about that? Like this one?
Yep.
So this is an SVG, correct? Yep. Or can I not export this one? Let's say design.
Design export
SVG. Yeah. Okay, export rectangle. Okay, there's our SVG. So let's drop it into here. Convert. Oh,
wow,
bro. What does this do? If you get any server related issue, what does it even do? Ah, this is like a zoom level. Oh my goodness! Wow, really? This did not just happen. What is this? Yet not any.
You check that, I guess, if you don't need it responsive, but
What does that mean? What do they mean by responsive clip path? Because I do need responsive clip path though, no? Do we not? Like,
I think you check that, I guess, if you don't need a responsive clip path.
this 0.5.
Wait, what?
Huh? What? What is this? 0.4? 0.1? 0. Y-axis top. Like, I'm so confused. Here, width and high values are used in pixels just for reference. So no, this is not responsive at all.
Hmm.
This is what I'm looking. Is what it's telling me.
Mm-hmm.
No, right?
I assume so.
I mean, this looks so good though, man. I really want to make Kev have this work somehow.
Mm-hmm.
What does it even do?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try again. Because you can make it responsive, right?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this, for example. See? Look at this shape. How can I run with using in this article about my own edges? Here are the manuals to create clip at the corners using VG. This is a brief explains this clip at with rounded corners. Also responsive. Here responsive means not working just not working aspect ratio based on rather than which part of the area really we need to extend when content increases. Aspect ratio means is combined. For example, we try to increase this clip with polygon shape height, blah 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 blah. Truly to control the width of looking to stretch the edges to corners. We expect the height actually we get when height increases. So you see it's weird.
Mm-hmm.
We create a CSS clip path. Polygon property values are used combination of percentage and pixel values. Yep, that makes sense. Because the clip path shape must be performed responsibly when shape was extended. Okay, it makes sense. Huh? So there's our polygon. And they're using like a filter or something? I don't know what that means. Converter can convert to with responsive. Lenses is converter. Or you can work. the same. Step 1. Select the .psg file and you click hit convert. Okay. Once you submit the file, you will get this page. Here you can set the flexible area using these points by individually select. Okay. What do you mean by flexible areas? A selected point background is changed to red color. In the right x-axis, y and y-axis values are shown equal to the selected point x-axis and y-axis. Each selected box has 3 values. These are following: x-axis is left, fixed value. So left means fixed value. It means a point selected axis by the left, then the area not flexible. Wait, who made this copy, bro? Like,
Oh, no.
what 3rd grader created this copy? He knows how to code, but he can't type or explain, for that matter. It means a point select x-axis by is what? So there's a fixed value, shape of area. So this means this is not like, this means this point is not flexible. This point. Horizontal center, dynamic value, it means a point select x-axis by horizontal center is flexible when expanding shape or area based on the horizontal center of the shape. Choose this value best for center or near the center points. Dynamic value, it means a point select axis by the right, then the area is flexible when expanding shape. An area is flexible when expanding shape. What? What does it even mean? Above the page shows you point 0 selected. I want this point related. So this is point 0. Related areas. I want this point related areas are flexible. Bro, who typed this? Do you see though? Like,
yeah.
Like, is this just
I have
me?
a video on it.
Is it just me, or is it just a horrible typing thing?
It's hard. It's really hard to read. I don't understand what they're saying at all.
A flexible area, both horizontally and vertically. So x-axis value is changed to right, and y-axis is changed to vertical center. That makes absolutely no sense. Okay. Do the same action to the above step. So change the values of axis to right and vertical center. In this point, need flexible only in a horizontally, not vertically. So x-axis right.
Yeah, English is totally not this person's first language.
The reason only it's effective front is horrible.
Because I'm watching the video, they didn't spell increase right, and they're like saying they're not using proper like grammar at all.
Oh my god, this is horrible.
Great tool, but
bro, this is so bad. Right bottom. Right. But this right top is for, that makes no sense. Why is this right top?
what would you make the fucking...
I feel like we're close. I feel like I just kind of want to understand how this works, right? You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So right top.
Do we have to just specify where the points are on the... I feel like what they're trying to get at is like we have to specify that the coordinates on the right side are the right and the ones on the left are on the left. And if there's some in the middle, we would specify vertical center or whatever.
Is that what it is?
That's what I assume, because I'm going through the video and what they're doing is they're splitting it in their axis where horizontally through the middle of the div or whatever, or the SVG is going to be the x-axis, and then y-axis is straight up the middle vertically. Yep.
So x-axis is right. Y-axis is gonna be...
That's how I assume, but like, if this is, why do we have to specify it ourselves?
Vertical center. Oh, right. Right.
But I don't know. I could be wrong.
I don't know, bro, either, but we're just gonna try it. Right. However, this one... And I'm just like, how did they even get that? So right, vertical center, right top, right top. Okay, so that's also right top then. So that's right top, right top. This is right bottom. I believe also right bottom, no? No?
Yeah, I believe so.
This is left,
that's how
bottom, left, bottom, left, top, left, top. Okay. I don't know. I guess we just get code now.
Yeah, let's try it.
That's weird though. Like,
wait, if those values are for reference.
oh, there's actually some values that are actually like. Did you see that? You see that?
I saw like calc stuff and things like that. Yeah.
Like there are actually some values that are actually like. Okay, let's try it. Let's see. Let's see what happens, man.
Let's try it.
Let's see. We're gonna do this to the job. Do it to which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, dude! Look at all these points. I think if we just learn these points as well, this might be an option as well.
Yes. They're so specific.
Let's see now. Oh, bro, look.
Nice.
Look.
Nice. Looks good. Looks good.
Let's do the same one to this one.
God.
What?
It's just crazy how much there is to that clip path. I can see it.
Don't need this background color blisk. Like this is a background color blisk. Let's see now.
Looks like it is doing it.
It's kind of doing it, but like it's not really creating those corners though. The ones that I like though. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get what you're saying. It could just be getting covered up for the top one.
Because I think it's because like I don't need to set the width and height on this one actually. Hold on, let me see. Let's try it now.
There we go. It's not responsive.
Okay, let's.
It looks fucking great, but
what if we change the height though? So let's change the height to be like a little bit smaller. Like, how responsive is my question, right? Let's see. Bro,
it's not bad.
It's actually kind of responsive.
The fuck is this?
Okay, ready? Ready for this?
What is this?
Remove this part. I told you, bro, it's possible.
Well, now I know.
You just doubted me all the time.
I haven't been doubting, but look at the values you need to get that kind of rounded edge. That's insane.
I know. That's the That's how many clip paths you need on this shit.
And its decimal value is like.
Oh, look at this.
Wow. Never fails to fucking blow me away. This is crazy. That looks good.
Look at this.
Wow, man. Good
Yeah,
find. Good find.
I'm telling you, I don't give up. Look, dude, this looks so good. Oh my god. Like, I don't know. I just, I don't know what to
Can't
say.
get better than this, man. Can't get better than this.
I don't know what to say, man. This is just so good. I think me to increase the height in this, like, it'd be 400.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And if it's 400, I think. And then what we can do with that, bro, like I think this, we need to somehow make this be in the center. I don't know exactly how, but like we need to make this be in the center somehow.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like
So,
this needs to be in the center.
I'm thinking like if we go back to the design, like how we have the information of the job description, and then they have the company icon, and
Yeah.
then you have the date.
Yeah.
Like I think all that should be in one component that's placed on top. Like you see how
You mean all
that
this?
that the company icon, and then the date from when they work to
Yeah.
when their job position in. I think that should all for like it's almost like rows
Yeah.
should be entire components, and I think it'll be easier to kind of line things up that way.
I'm just curious. I'm just curious. How does this work? Is that because what it's doing is it's putting all these very small, like, is it because it's putting very small, like, minor changes? That's how it's creating those edges, bro? I think that's what's going on.
It must recognize. Okay, so you know what's fun? I think it recognizes the points that are placed on the SVG when they create it
Yeah.
with the pencil,
Yeah.
and it recognizes where those points are placed, and then it's able to, like, I don't know, they are able to generate the code off those points.
Yeah, so they create these small little points right here,
Yeah.
like on here, to create a little circle thing. You see what I mean?
Yeah, because I think if you go to the Figma, you might be able to see those points on it and see that's what they grab somehow.
You don't even see that. No, you don't. Figma doesn't create points that small. No, it creates
see-
like 1, 2, 3. And then it just creates like a separate, like a, here. You see?
Uh-huh.
But this, what it does, like, for example, I know that, like, I don't know, look, these points are like on top of each other pretty much right here. Then you have like a small one, 1 pixel, 20. Look at this, 116, 110. Like, I think this is literally just like one curve right here.
It just takes really exact values to get that curve.
Do you see what I mean?
Yeah. It's pretty insane.
Yeah.
But fuck, it looks good. I really like what we have.
I think what would be cool is to actually take this into like a clip path explorer and actually explore all these clip paths. No?
What do you mean clip path explorer?
Like here. What we can do is do this. So here. We can say clip path. Like we can actually make our own clip path here.
Oh, you're talking about this tool. Gotcha.
Yeah. I don't know if you can actually edit this.
I don't think you can.
Clip path. Let's see, custom.
Okay.
Can I type?
No, I think you can just create point, but
let's see here. Clip path maker. Let me see here. Because then you'll be able to see clip path maker. Right here. But I want to have my own custom. Dude, I'm just happy we got this though, bro.
Oh yeah, me too, bro. Me too. Looks great.
Clip path editor. Look at these nice circles.
Those look really good, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Do you see?
Mm-hmm.
View source code. Oh, then you can edit the clip path right here.
It's pretty sick though.
Okay, well, look, I mean, I think I kind of like where this is at. No? Like, this is really good, actually.
That's really good.
And look at how nice of a sponsor this is.
What? At first, it wasn't working for me. That's sick. Wow, that's actually pretty fucking awesome.
We crushed this, bro. Okay, I like it. So I think
we could fucking build anything.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you. So we can now. What we need to do is move this down. This needs to move down a little bit more to here, but that's okay. We can move that down anytime.
Yeah.
We're just happy this works, honestly. This is a pretty insane fucking thing. So I'm just glad that it works. So that's just cool. Great job.
Fuck yeah, that's pretty exciting.
Yeah. So we got that one. Let's do now the bullet points inside here. No.
You know what? You want to take over the bullet points?
Or
do you want me to go on? I can keep going too.
But... yeah, you can keep going right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna put some
So
music.
I haven't actually used an unordered list in actually a long time.
Are you serious?
Yeah, well, like I haven't had to build anything that's used it, but of course we had so we specify the unordered list.
Yeah, you do UL.
It's super simple, and then you specify the
You've got a fucking
tags.
blockchain developer who builds fucking his own blockchains, and then he's like, how do I build an unordered list?
I'm getting back into this shit. I'm done with blockchain. I'm not, but I'm just gonna use the same larm itsum text. Okay.
Do. And also another list is also, remember, another list is also on style too, so we gotta make our own style as well on that side.
Oh yeah. When you went through the through the docs, and it said it was unstyled as well. Sorry, I'm just trying to copy text.
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Hey, we got this. We got this. We're back, baby.
We're back.
Daniel, what's your another list, damn it?
It's there. It's just not showing for you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's on my side.
Oh, okay, let me refresh. Okay, 1 second. Oh, yeah, sorry about that. Okay, cool. Yeah, nice. Okay, so let's see. When we go ahead and refresh, oh, this looks like shit.
You see?
Yeah, it looks like shit.
It does look like shit, but we're gonna fix that shit.
Daniel, fix that shit.
Text decoration, does it really remove the bullet points?
Yeah. So you have to set the bullet points again. Yeah, go to global.css. Or actually, you can use TailwindCSS to do that.
Yes, yeah, I know that text. Is it list style?
It's called list style. It's called list decimal right there, or a disk. So you can try one or the other one. Okay, let me know if that works. Are you doing it, Daniel?
I am. Let's see. Let's see if it works.
Where are you, Daniel? You're in the experience section, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
I
empty
added it.
6.
Oh yeah, it works.
There we go. Yeah, baby, let's go. Yeah, now let's create a space in between. Yeah. Yeah, I think there's gonna be like a more of a space for sure. 100%, duh, yeah. 100%, duh, yeah. Yeah, there's like a huge, let's see, what is that? list height or the height of the... Let's see. Wow. Line height is like 46 pixels. That's pretty high. More. And then increase the font size too. A little bit larger. Yeah. More Daniel. Daniel's crushing it, guys, right here. We've got Space Y4. That's looking pretty good. And then text-LG. Large. Yes. LG. Large. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, it's not too bad. Actually, I kind of like that. What do you think? I think the MT is a bit too big, no? Or no, what do you think? Let's see. No, actually, it's fine. I think it's like... But I think it's like the font is weird now. The font is different. Why is the font so different? Huh, Daniel? I can't hear you. Daniel, I can't hear you. Where are you?
Okay, I have no idea.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, but can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm not sure what happened there.
Yeah, my mic, I
Oh, your mic is like, I'm dying.
or
What's
I
going
don't
on
know.
with your mic?
Tell me, I have no idea. It's moving now.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Good,
Yeah.
good.
I'm not gonna touch it because I'm not trying to.
Oh yeah,
up,
I know.
but,
It's the mic. Yeah.
What color is? But actually, it doesn't look.
No,
It's
I
like the
think
line
it's like
spacing. Or
that's
line
weird.
height or
There's
whatever.
like I think you need to increase the space in
The
between each line.
Oh yeah. Of course. That's the line height, which I forget what it's called. It's called like leading in Tailwind.
Yeah, let me see here.
Yeah. So it's a
Line height. Yeah, it's called
Yeah,
leading. Yeah. Yeah.
How much
Insane.
should we add?
I think maybe say leading like line
I think
height.
we add
Let's see.
this, or unless we could just add it to the. Let's try heading.
Let's try leading 9.
Leading 9. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, change it. I don't
Do
know if I
that.
can just add it to the parent and it'll apply to every single child.
Let's see now.
I mean, it did add line
Oh,
height,
I kind of like that.
right?
Yeah, I kind of
Right,
like that. Yeah.
Should I decrease the gap between the bullet points and just increase line height instead?
I mean, I kind of like it like this as well. This is not bad too.
Not bad. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I kind of like it.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah,
This
I think
looks
it
dope.
looks good too.
This looks dope. This looks dope.
Nice.
Dope.
You know, this container does look pretty sick.
Dude, I'm
With
so
that-
excited. Dude, I'm
Yeah, me
excited
too.
to apply this knowledge to this thing right here. Like to actually create this proper thing. Dude, I'm excited for that.
That's actually gonna be really nice because we have
Right?
full control over it. So I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, for sure.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so next. The only thing we need to do left is I'm gonna copy this, bro. And I'm gonna put it actually. You know where?
Okay.
I'm gonna take this. Let's do this. Let's take this
Oh.
div.
Yeah.
Let's take this div.
Mhm.
And copy this div.
Well, I think you leave, or is that image a part of it? Is that image the company icon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, we are. Yo. Yeah. Let's see
Music's
how it
been
looks
good.
like. Hey. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah. Refresh. Oh, it's not showing. Damn it. Why? I don't know. Why? I don't know. Why? I don't know. Do you know? Makes no sense.
Did you just copy and paste it?
Yeah. That should still work. There's no reason why it shouldn't. Okay, Command Z. Let's try undo this. Let's see. So this is the icon. Wait, but there's two icons. Hold on. What about this one? Is it because this circle relative? Yes, I know. Wait. Circle, relative, overflow, visible. Yeah. I need to copy this whole thing right here. So I know why it is now. So copy all this.
Okay.
So watch this. Watch the magic happen, Daniel, right? Watch it. Yeah. Watch.
Let's see it.
Watch. Yeah. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Refresh. Do it. Yes. You see?
Okay, so.
Yeah, go ahead.
For these, so I know in the Figma design, I know they alter from like the first one starts on the left, the second one goes on the right side.
I know.
That one.
So we're gonna take this to the end right here. Right here?
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Daniel, you're crushing this. Let's refresh it again.
Because I just realized we're gonna have to convert one
Where
that's
did
on the
it go?
right side into that thing.
What the hell? Oh, right. Hold on. I gotta paste in this as well. Stupid. There we go. Yes. Now we refresh again. Yeah, there we go.
That looks good.
We just gotta do the same thing now, but for the right side. So we do, I think, need to change create a new clip path, but now for the right side of the thing.
Exactly.
Now, I do have to go, guys. So I think we have to finish right now.
But look at this. It's looking good.
Dude, I'm pumped for, like, what did we just learn with the whole clip path thinking? That's insane. I knew that it's possible if you just put enough clip path points. Look, I just knew it. Oh, I can't hear you. I know. It's your mic. It's usually the little, like, no, it's your.
I don't know.
It's your cable. It's your cable. It's a thing on Yeti mics. They suck. The cable on the bottom
maybe
sucks.
it's just. Maybe I need a new cable, but
No,
I don't know.
you just need a new mic. Period.
Yes. I know.
Guys, we need to get Daniel a new mic.
Gosh,
Let's get those donations going.
I'm gonna mute myself now.
Dude, I'm so proud. This is amazing. I think for the next time, which is tomorrow, we're gonna do the right side of this and then center this properly. How does that sound?
Yeah, I think line things up, make it look nice.
Yeah, and then finally, maybe we can make this look better because this sucks right now.
Oh yeah, I think tomorrow we cover the rest of the work experience and we do this.
Yeah.
And then we could get back to, we could do the forum and the cool globe thing.
Yeah.
And then we could do the skills to like wrap up the hardest part of everything.
Yeah. So, yo, what's up, Mayel? Check this out. Do you see what we just did? Look at this. This is amazing. Look at that. We just crushed that. So we're so close to finishing this portion up. Almost done. And yeah. So once we get this done, move on to the next portion. But this one is still going to be difficult. I don't know how to do that one.
I'm gonna do some research on that one.
Okay.
And see what I can find for us because
Okay.
that one, I have ideas. I just
Daniel's going to crush this. I know it. I know it.
We're both gonna crush it.
Yes.
We're both crushing it.
All right, everybody.
You figured out the thing with experience. So.
Dude, I'm like, holy shit. I'm proud of us.
Oh yeah.
All right, everybody. All right, everybody.
Exactly.
This was amazing. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time. Peace.
Peace, guys.